Hi, this is Michelle with the Erica Diaz team, and today I'm at my newest listing, 3820 Bowfin Trail in Kissimmee, the highly sought after Bellalago community. Do you want to live like you live at a resort? Well, come check this house out. One of the great features about this home is a fully fenced-in backyard, and you have no rear neighbors. It's all conservation back there. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like and subscribe to us, and make sure to reach out to us to schedule your private showing today.